Priyanka, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an accessories haul. It's been quite some time since I did an accessories haul. So today I have some pieces which I wanted to show you guys, a little boho, a little Indian. So I thought I'll do a lookbook as well. So that's coming up in the next video where I'll be showing you guys some wedding looks and I'll be styling some of these accessories as well. So Amazon has a huge sale right now, so you can check it out. I'll get all of these at a very good discount, and I will leave all the links in the description box in case you'd like to check these out. And now I'll show you guys what I got. And of course I have a lot of other new videos coming up, hauls, lookbooks, and so much more vlogs as well. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle here. And now let's begin. So basically Amazon has like really good stuff, so you'll find everything and anything. So I wanted to get some of these boho pieces. I have been looking for beaded jewelry, so I found these. Look at these are so cute and they will look so gorgeous when worn. So these are those beaded jewelry and they're very lightweight. So the back looks like this, so it's just stuck onto the cloth, and they're like super lightweight, and it's like a nice pop of color, so you can wear them on your maxi dresses. So this is a lemon yellow dress and you can just have like a pop of color like this. You can wear them on Indian wear, you can wear them on your Indo-Western wear. If you're wearing like a simple off-white or like some plain maxi dress, even with that these would look so beautiful. I absolutely love them, and they're all like pretty decently priced, and Amazon literally like has everything. I've been looking exactly for something like this, chunky earrings. I was looking for something in blue, but yeah, pink is great too. I zoomed in a little bit so that you can see the earrings better. Next up I have these. Just look at these look so pretty. Again, they're like beaded earrings. They have the top which is like a button, and then they have these drops. Again, can be worn like for beachy stuff, and also like Indian and Indo-Western. Just looks so gorgeous in the city itself. An evening if you're heading out with just a simple top, you can wear them, or like even you can wear them like with any dresses as well. I absolutely love them. They're so pretty, you guys. You can put your hair up in a bun and just wear these earrings and they'll show up so well. And look at this, it's really going well with the dress that I'm wearing. Like really pretty. So this is green beaded necklace, so you can totally wear this on your Indian wear like kurtas or saris, and you can even wear it with your dresses. Again, even if you're wearing like a printed dress or even a plain dress like the one I'm wearing, you can totally style these, and they look so gorgeous, and the finishing is so good. At the back also it has the stab knot. If you're looking to gift something to your mom or something like that, also this is really pretty, and you can totally wear this on so many occasions. Like you can layer it up with your other neck pieces, and you can wear it for Indian wear, or you can even wear it for your gowns and long dresses. Next up we have this. In the pictures it looked a little bit more like light baby pink, but then even this looks so beautiful. It's not that maroon ones which you usually see. It is sort of like an onion pink. Again, can be worn with Indian and like even with like saris or pattu saris also, and you can layer it up, and you can also wear it with your dresses. I can totally wear it with the dress that I'm wearing and it would look so pretty. You can style it with like your off-white maxi gowns, so this will look so beautiful. Just adds such a pretty look to your outfit, like so beautiful. And the last one for this haul is this bow. So I thought it was going to be one, but they actually turned out to be two. Yeah, so I did not realize that it was going to be a set of two, so I think I might put one of this in a giveaway. So I wanted to see how the quality is going to be before I order some more, but I thought it's really cute. Again, with a plain dress like this, I thought I can bow it at the back and it will look so gorgeous. And I have like thin hair, so usually when I use the slides, my hair gets tangled, like it'll get stuck in that and there'll be breakage. So I prefer something like this. This clip is not much of a problem, so I think it's too big to be worn at the side, but totally reminds you of school days, right? But looks so pretty even to be worn now. So that was everything that I wanted to show you guys in this video. I put the clip at the back, that's why my hair changed. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you guys some nice recommendations. I loved all of the accessories. The quality of everything was so good, and I really love the bow clips as well. I think it would look so pretty for your pictures and everything. And yeah, if you comb out your hair nicely and like even on the days when you have like bad hair days or like no hair wash days, I think you can just clip it up and it looks so good. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you found this useful and fun, and all the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to check them out, and Amazon has a huge sale going on, so you can get all of these at discounted prices, so do check them out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel and my Telugu channel as well, and I'll leave my Instagram handle here, and you can shop from my brand now. It's called PriyankaBoppanaOfficial.com. I'll leave the website link in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.